Your attention, please. The following emergency bulletin may affect your area. Listen carefully.
The following is a coastal flood warning from the National Weather Service for the following counties in Delaware, inland Sussex, and Kent. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? Kent and inland Sussex. When? Until 8 p.m. this evening. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Additional details: with the long duration of onshore winds expected, the back bays may struggle to drain during low tides. This could result in minor to moderate coastal flooding lingering after high tide. Between 1 to 3 inches of rain have fallen as well, which may struggle to drain with the rising tide. Additionally, minor flooding is possible again with the Sunday afternoon high tide. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth.
This emergency warning message has been broadcast for your safety. If your area is affected, take all necessary precautions and listen to any local radio, television, or cable outlet for further updates.